A Minnesota State Senate Ethics Committee took no action on Tuesday regarding an ethics hearing regarding Senator Nicole Mitchell of Woodbury. She's charged with burglary in Detroit Lakes. The Ethics Committee is made up of 2 Republicans and 2 Democrats. No action taken. They'll reconvene again June 12th following her court appearance. Here's some of that hearing. Senator Mitchell declined to testify. Her attorney, Ringstrom, spoke for her.
Good evening, Mr. Chair. My name is Bruce Ringstrom, Jr. I represent Senator Mitchell.
Okay, before you have questions, I got to put you under oath.
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear that the evidence you shall give relative to the cause now under consideration shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, even though that you are Representative Senator Mitchell, is there any particular reason why you are sitting there as opposed to Senator Mitchell?
I am asking the questions on behalf of Senator Mitchell, Mr. Chair.
All right. Do you have any questions for the individuals that are in front of us?
I do, Mr. Chair.
Proceed with your question.
Good evening, Senator Lucero. Have you read the rules that govern this ethics hearing?
You may answer, Senator Lucero.
I have read portions of the Senate rules.
Have you read the portion of the rules that govern the admissibility and the weighing of evidence in this ethics hearing?
Senator Lucero.
If you can cite the rule, I would be able to more affirmatively answer.
I can't cite the rule because they don't exist. Are you familiar with the mechanisms by which evidence gets admitted into this ethics hearing?
Senator Lucero.
The process to submit exhibits was noon yesterday, I believe.
And so exhibits have been admitted for purposes of this hearing, correct?
Senator Lucero.
Exhibits being evidence to support the claimant's charge, correct?
And have those exhibits been admitted into evidence through any process other than simply being filed in?
Senator Lucero.
I'm not familiar with other processes. I am focused on this ethics complaint in the Minnesota Senate.
Senator Lucero, you can strike that if that's a mistake. If Senator Housley said this, one of you testified to the existence of a 911 transcript. I may defer to whomever said that. Who was that?
Mr. Chair, we both said it.
Right. Senator Housley, you have reviewed that redacted transcript?
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, yes, I have.
Have you reviewed the unredacted transcript?
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, no, it's redacted.
Have you listened to the unredacted audio recording?
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, no, I haven't.
Have you determined whether any component of that 911 call would be regarded as testimonial?
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, again, we are here to, in the Ethics Committee, laid out in our Senate rules that oversee the conduct of Senator Mitchell according to our rules, not to read the redacted 911 transcript to determine if she was guilty or not guilty. That's not what we are here for. We are here, believe me, Mr. Chair, we don't want to be here today. We're only here today because of the actions of one of our colleagues that was brought into question. Again, senators have a duty to uphold and adhere to the highest ethical standards and to hold each other accountable for those. So going into the details of all of the transcripts and redacted and unredacted that will be brought in the court of law is for you to handle. This is just the ethical complaint where we adhere to our own Senate body rules.
So you have not determined whether any component is testimonial?
Senator Housley.
No.
You would agree that that 911 transcript is a component of this complaint?
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, it is one of the documents that were submitted with the complaint.
And therefore, its veracity and what it represents should be evaluated by this subcommittee before it's used to make a determination.
Senator Housley.
Mr. Chair, and in looking at the 911 transcript, it looks like what was redacted are identifying features and addresses. Mr. Chair, it was not a long phone call.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I think the question was answered, Mr. Chair.
Again, no action taken by the Minnesota State Senate Ethics Committee. They'll reconvene again on June 12th. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.